Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I don't know what I want to do. I just want to do something. As you can see, I'm not in my regular, scene because I'm at my boyfriend's. So my birthday is this month. It's on the 16th and I got myself a new camera. I'm using it to record right now and I'm so happy. It looks so nice. But today I kind of wanted to do a self-care kind of day because it's my day off from work, and so basically a cleaning video. What I will do is go shower and get ready because I look like bazookas and I feel like I'm sweating already. So since it is kind of sunny today, I'm gonna use a light air sunscreen. And then I'm gonna use this lotion, CeraVe. I do my eyebrows. I started doing my hair, but she's looking better than ever. She's looking good. The Can 2 Avocado Hydrating Curling Cream. And when I just use this, I braid my hair. And I feel that it helps keep my nice curls healthy. So I do this a lot. I feel like ever since I started to trim my hair every 3 months and not doing heat, not how to explain this, not using heat on my hair, it's gotten so long. I still have like split ends. It's because I get really impatient with just brushing it, but it's so long and I'm not like in that kind of mood to even cut it. Like I'm really happy with it. The Argan Oil of Morocco. I started using this. I haven't used it too much, but I'm gonna use it right now. It smells so good. Alright, so now we can braid my hair now. So let's take you to cleaning my bedroom. Taking stuff out. Not really, I mean, there's no need for that. Just refold a few things and organize it better. It's not really that organized, but whatever. My camera is dying. Okay, so this is the progress. I still have to put some of that stuff here, but my camera died, so I'm charging my batteries here. I'm in the kitchen right now and I'm gonna make sushi. So I'll be using this 2 cups of jasmine rice, Alright, so while that is being cooked, I'm going to thaw out the shrimp. Oh wow. finished cleaning and it's looking nice. There's some things that aren't mine that I don't want to put in the wrong spot, so I left it there. But everything's looking nice and clean. No more boxes. These are the things that I don't know. This is the corner. I already swept it. There's no more trash. The ring light's here. Alright, so that's that. I'm about to take like an hour and read. I think that's all there is for today. So thank you for watching my video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.